Hi, this is Srinivas. Welcome to Core Java Program Discussions. Yeah, back to the discussion here. Today I'm going to be cover what is random number, how system will be generated randomly. If you given a range from 0 to 10, 0 to 100 or 1 to 10 or 20 to 30, so those kind of ranges if you provided to the program, automatically randomly system will be generate one number. Okay, back to that here. See, today I'm going to be explaining again random number with minimum or maximum or default minimum value to the maximum range which you given. That will discuss it, how it will be generated. Back to that. So the first method I'm going to be explaining here. Print any random number, the default value from minimum value 0, maximum. You are providing the value. So it may be 100 or 10 or 20 like that. So I've just created a reference name from the Java random class. Here it is a random class developed by the Java people here. Inside we have a lot many methods, variables, blah blah blah. And though if you want to use it in your local system, you must create a reference name for that existing class here. So I created random. Any reference name is equal to new random method here. So right now, whatever scripts, whatever implemented methods developed by the Java people under random class, that are all applicable to the variable here. R is my reference name of a random class. So using that, I'm calling next integer as a method. Next integer. So I'm just providing some range here. Next integer under this 0 is a minimum value and maximum value I have provided here. So 0 to 10 range system will be provide any one random number, generate one random number and store it to the variable, and that I'm printing here. Okay, I'm just commenting this. Later we'll discuss about this random range method. So only given just maximum value only at the type here. I'm just running the program and see here the results would be 6. If I rerun the same method here using line number 15 with the help of reference name, it has called the next integer method from the random class within the range. What number is there that has printed? One more time I'm running here. Have you noticed step number 4? If I provided a range increase, like instead of 10, I have changed it to the 100 here and rerunning the same program. Have you noticed? The results equal to 22 came here. Next, 84, 14, 52. So each and every fresh execution, new number randomly. I don't know which number will come next, right? So automatically system will generate. Okay, up to here, okay. But always the default value will be taken to 0. I don't want that from default value 0. If you want to give minimum value and maximum value, you are giving input to the system. For that case, I created one different method here. Look at this separate method implemented. Public static integer, random number based on the user inputs. Just two parameters we have used here. One is a minimum value and one maximum value. So at the time of calling this method, I'll give two inputs. One is minimum, one is maximum, like here. Okay. So what is going on here? You may take a thread local random existing a class here. Okay. Then with the help of current method and just calling this inbuilt method like a next integer method, the range minimum and maximum plus 1. Why I took maximum plus 1 here? Why don't we use the maximum only? If we take maximum, suppose let us take 0 to 100 here, my system may not print the value 100 always. It will be take up to 99 only. 100 value it won't be take up here. So that's why I want 100 also sometimes. In that situation, so take maximum plus 1. Means in our range right now 0 to 100 means 0 is the minimum value, 100 plus 1. 100 plus 1 means 101. 101 will take. So 0 to 101 within that range the number will be generated. So first you are providing input values minimum and maximum. Within that range system will be generate a random number and store it into here. That will be print with the help of return statement, and we are calling this method in our main method area directly. I'm providing the range here 1 to 25. See, 1 to 25 only it will be generated. Now if I provided a 59 example, run it, observe that 3 came, second number, 14, 25, 58. Have you noticed? How come 58 came here? This is the range. Suppose if you provided 4563, any random number, and here is 100 only. So the minimum range equal to 100. Okay, let us take a 200. 200. So minimum range equal to 200, maximum equal to some other number. Within this range only, system will generate one number and provide the results. Have you noticed? This number is not in between 0 to 100. So you provided some minimum value and maximum value. Within that range, randomly, automatically system will generate one number, return the number, that number has going to be printed here. Okay? Right. Thank you. Hope you understand that random method.